December 1st, Paris-based Russian and Algerian women rights activist and vocalist Sherazade enthralled Karachites at French Cultural Center Alliance Française. While talking exclusively to News Pakistan TV, Sherazade said that she didn't learn singing as it is in her blood.
I am just a singer. I write my songs. I try to defend women because I am for the freedom expression, and I'm very happy to be here to visit Pakistan for the first time. I'm a mix of culture. So my mother is Russian and my father is Algerian, and my grandmother is from Azerbaijan. That's why I sing in different languages, in Russian, Arabic, French, English, Azeri and Armenian. J'habite à Paris. I didn't learn anything. Music is here, you know.
Okay, it is in your blood.
In my blood.
She endeavors to defend women's rights through her songs that she pens herself in Russian, Armenian, English, French and Arabic. At Alliance Française, Sherazade's lyrics were reinforced by the arithmetic of the band L'Avion Rose that deciphers its music as a dash of rock French song flirting with gypsies and a touch of jazz.
Sur ma nuque et mes reins, je revois encore ton corps contre le mien en si peu de temps. I love you so much. Bouger la juste face.
Sherazade's vocal messages like, do what your heart wishes to do, give your best in love and never regret your choice, a night can change everything, never search for love, are reinforced by graceful movements radiating zeal, liveliness, joy and freedom.
Tell something about today's performance.
I hope you'll enjoy it. Pakistan Zindabad, Pakistan.